I am a master degree social worker, and so my training is to be concerned about people and the impact of services, companies, the environment on people, and the systems on people, and the other way around, people's impact on systems and stuff. Recently, a group of doctors got together and embarrassed a chemotherapy company that were like price gouging on treatment for patients that gave them a few more years of life if they took this treatment. And I just called the FDA and federal regulators about a company that's selling a drug that costs $7,000 per pill. That's actually price gouging. We have laws against price gouging. If there's a natural disaster and somebody's out selling bottles of water for $10 or $20 a bottle, the government would get involved. Those people would get fined and charged and probably put in jail. There are certain illnesses that are at crisis level, and a lot of people need the treatment, and these pharmaceutical companies know it, and so they come up with these products, drugs, and they price gouge on them. That's basically what it is, price gouging. So the government needs to step in, and this TPP, this bill actually would have allowed the United States to sue Canada because Canada can negotiate with pharmaceutical companies and they get lower drugs in Canada than we can in the United States. For some reason, this great country, this shining city on the hill, does not protect its people. It's like we're one big giant piggy bank to our leaders. They don't care how much anybody charges us for anything. And if they're telling you they're looking out for us, that's a bunch of crap. The only way they're looking out for us is by going to war for people, corporations, and the top 1%. So it's time for us to stop bullshitting ourselves and thinking that the people we're sending to Washington are bringing home the bacon. No, they aren't bringing home the bacon. They're getting as much of the bacon as they can for themselves, and they're allowing big business to become people. They aren't people. They're corporations. If they were people, you could get to them and their assets. The whole point of a corporation is to protect the person that owns the corporation from you coming after his ass. So if they are people now, we should take up some class action suits against some corporations and go after those people for issues we have standing in. Since they are people now, and money is speech, we can go after them. We can get them. Wake up, America.